Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Chauhan and today in this video we are discussing the solution of the task provided by the Spark Foundation CRIP program. We are discussing here the solution of module Data Science and Business Analytics. So let's begin. The first task which was provided under this internship was prediction using supervised ML. The first task was of beginner level and we have used Python to solve this task. Problem statement states that we have to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of study hours done by him or her. So in this, we have used linear regression module to solve this task. Data was already provided through a URL link as shared and a sample solution was also provided. And it was supposed that you have to submit the solution of this problem statement as a GitHub repository in public. So here is the solution for the task. Here you can see that this is a GitHub repository which is representing TSF internship program, and here is the solution of first task which was a linear regression supervised learning. So let's discuss the solution. Here you can see that it is a code which has been developed in Python 3. So hashtag is representing here that all these are unexecutable statements, means are treated as comments. So initially we will import all the libraries which are required for the execution of the code. So here Panda, NumPy, Matplotlib has been imported. See, this is very important line to include Matplotlib in line if you are working on Jupyter Notebook. This solution has been implemented on Jupyter Notebook, and to see all the visualization on the same screen, you need to include this line. So initially what we will do, we will import the data which is provided in URL form by using the command pd.read csv URL, and we will read the head of the data. Head means important headings which are being used to represent the data. So here hours and scores are being used to represent the data, and by passing this argument as 10 we can analyze initial 10 values of the data which are being provided. Now to analyze in a deeper way we can use some more functions like describe and info. All these are methods associated with pandas. So by passing this describe, we can have information about the data like the count, mean, standard deviation, minimum value or the maximum value. And by passing the module info, we can have information about what are the types of data which are being imported, whether it is of float type or of integer type. After analyzing the data, what we will do, we will analyze what are the features of the data which will help us to predict the solution. So here only two variables are there. So one of them will be treated as input variable and another one will be treated as output variable. There are two methods using which you can convert the variables into features. The first is by passing the name of the headings like this S data scores and S data hours, and otherwise by converting the location of the data in a certain vectors like x and y which are being represented here. You can see that once you will execute this command, then you will be converting the value of x and y to be in two-dimensional array so that you can execute further operation on it, because it is necessary to execute linear regression that your data should be in two dimensions. So after doing all these things, what we are doing, we are calling a library sklearn, which is a very important library for machine learning perspectives. And here, what we are doing, we are dividing this data into training, testing, and then further some portion of it we will be using as execution. So here we have divided 20% of the data as test data and rest of the 80% is being used for training the module. And the module which we are using here is the linear regression model. So we will call it from library sklearn.linear model import linear regression. And we are storing this linear regression portion into a variable named regressor. Then what we are doing, we are fitting these training variables into this model, which is linear regression model. Then after fitting, we will try to predict it. We will try to predict the value of test samples. Now, as it is mentioned in the task that we have to find the number of the predicted score if a student is doing study for 9.25 hours. So here in the predictor, we will be passing the hours to be 9.25 and then we will analyze the predicted score and it comes out to be 93.69. So this is the solution that if a student is learning for 9.25 hours, then there are chances that it will be attaining or securing this score. Then further, I would also like to explain you what the linear regression is. Basically, linear regression is a part of regression analysis. And in regression analysis, what we do is to find the relation between input and output variable. And if a linear term is being used here, it means that the output that you are predicting will exhibit a linear behavior. Means input output relationship between the variable is linear in nature. So as you can see that all these dotted are representation of data points which are provided to us and this line is representing the prediction which are provided by the linear regression module. You can see some variation from the line in some of the data points, but that's okay. That error is negligible. We can further do the analysis of this linear regression module by using some other parameter, but that is not the part of the task solution because in the task solution you are only being asked to predict the score if the number of hours of study are 9.25. I hope the solution is understandable by each one of you. Thank you very much.